All right, let's just restart here. So Tai Lopez made a very good point about this, and that's why I think you should say your pilot-like communication, right? So what he says is it's like Six Sigma in a way that, you should only have like one defect per million. And that's why pilots and airline people, they're always checking all the buttons, and they're, and this is a very big key principle of success, is being able to check your work, because too many people rush or they don't do things correctly and they just want to get things up and running, but realistically they don't know how to check their work. And the way they check their work is just like a pilot would. And pilots are always, clicking these buttons. They're saying to their partner, their co-pilot, check, check, check. And that's why planes don't crash. So when you're able to elude that same principle to Six Sigma and then communication, you're going to prove the concept a lot better.